Okay, we got the burner assembly out, cleaned up. I cleaned up the pilot light and the spark igniter and cleaned the thermocouple with this fine sandpaper. And now we're testing the spark igniter. Now, I can see the spark every single time with my eyes, but the camera only picks up the brightest ones. There you go. See it? Now, another issue. This thermocouple has this, seems like some kind of fuse that if it's overheating inside this combustion chamber, that's probably another fail-safe device. So it's possible that could be broken fuse there. Fusible link is another safety. You can see it's right above the burner, and if everything got way too hot inside there, it's possible that a special little fuse in the middle of this thermocouple is out. So that's probably a part I have to find at a supply house or call a company. Other than that, everything's ready to reassemble, and I might have another burner assembly that came out of that was working. So I'm gonna go, or maybe pull it out of another state select water heater. Okay. Let's read some of these things on here. It says, this water heater shall not be connected to any heating system or components previously used with a non-potable water heating appliance. Toxic chemicals, such as used for boiler treatment, shall not be introduced into a potable water heater used for space heating. Okay, so it says it shall not be used for space heating, but then the last sentence implies that if it is used for space heating, not to use any kind of leak repair chemicals inside of it. This water heater, as all water heaters, will eventually leak. Do not install without